2020 April 22nd. This is a 3/4 female things, FMP for female, yeah, female adapters. There's no gasket in here, and it's fixed, so I couldn't really swivel this. It's fixed right here, solid, I can't turn it. And this is, if to replace this, this has to be melted down and replaced by glue it back with cement, PVC cement. So this is a cold water line for the water heaters. So the problem of fixing it is I'm able to use this type of fitting that has a gasket inside. Well, this is a screw-on fix, but it's too long. In this case, it doesn't really work. So the only fix is the same way it was installed, but this needs to be melted down so I can remove this or cut this and re-cement it.